It's harvest season, and around this time of year, I like making tasty jellies, just like the kind you see in Stardew Valley. Making this stuff is super simple, and this recipe works with just about any fruit thanks to one very accessible secret ingredient. Let's start with plums. Now, plums are one of my favorite things to make jam from. Slice them in half to take out the pit, and then give them a rough chop. I'm using red plums, but you should use black ones. You'll see why soon. We'll also need our secret ingredient, an apple. This thing is gonna make our jelly thick and luscious, so it spreads better. Any apple works, but I'm using Cosmic Crisp because they're my favorite eating apples. You'll only need half. Peel, core, and chop. Add your fruit to a big pot, along with a third of a cup of water. Bring to a boil, cover, and simmer until the fruit is completely cooked, about 20 minutes. Then you can mash your fruit real good, or you can take the stick to it. Add some lemon juice. I'm using 2 tablespoons, but you can use less or more. Then add about 2/3 of a cup of sugar. You can use more, but honestly, you don't need that much to make a solid jelly. Stir and boil this over medium heat, stirring often until it thickens. The acid from the lemon and the pectin from the apple are going to really make this super thick. If you use black plums, the color won't look so grizzly here, but I used red, so I'm going to use a little bit of food coloring so it doesn't end up looking so gross. Much better. At this point, I've made so many jellies that I know what it looks like when it's perfect. It sort of looks like this. Let it cool, and then you can pour it into a nice jar. You can also make jam from freshly frozen blackberries. Dump them into a bowl with some chopped apple, into the pot with a little water. Boil, cover, and simmer for about 25 minutes. Mash them all up, then add lemon juice and sugar. Same amounts as before. Cook until super thick. And bottle it up as before. Hey, have you ever wondered what a starfruit tastes like? I think it's a combination of frozen peach and mango. And I'm not just saying that because that's what I had on hand. Don't forget the apple. You know the rundown at this point. Water, boil, cover, simmer. Let's give these the stick because I want them nice and pulverized. Lemon and sugar. What a striking color of yellow. Boil this until thick and then pour it into a jar. Once your jellies have cooled to room temp, you can keep them in the fridge. These aren't preserves, but they'll last a couple of months in there as long as you keep them refrigerated. As far as enjoying this, I like it slightly warmed over ice cream, on a Ritz cracker with a little bit of sharp cheddar, or my favorite, spread on a scone with a nice cup of tea. Stardew Valley Jelly is incredibly simple to make, and it's absolutely yummy! If you like this, check out my strange bun recipe, which is a great way to use the jam we made in this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!